Hi, what I'm going to show you now is a very useful tool that can be used in conjunction with two different programs. One is with TabGold and the other is with form grids, and this is what a method that I use for following horses that I want to follow. Now, for instance, let's take Durbanville this afternoon, and I've gone to form grids. That's formgrids.org. okay, and I'm looking at the results. Now in the results I've gone through and I've got to race 6, and what happens here is this little mark here, this little picture that comes up at the race 6 to number 2 Woodlands Forest. You hover over it and it says next race number 5 on the 23rd of Durbanville. Now the reason I'm interested in that is because he's come in the first 3 today, and it follows my 7-day method of finding winners. Now, to back that up, I go to today's TabGold card, tabgold.co.za. I would then go to race 6, which is where on the race card, I go to race card, then 6. Then you roll down here and you see Woodland Forest, which is the horse that we want to follow. And then I click on Follow Me. And I click on Follow Me. And what happens then, if you go to the top here, where it's got a Follow Me on the top here, you click on that and Woodland Forest comes up and it will send me a notification. I'm slightly amiss here because the first time you do it, it'll ask you where you want to receive your email. So I've already put that in, I'm sorry. So what will happen now, on the day before, you'll get sent an email and it'll say your horse is running tomorrow. It'll give you the name of the horse and you can click on it, and so therefore you're not going to miss it. So that's a very nice way of doing it. So let's do it with another one as well. So I'll go back to form grids. Okay, let's just go to the other meeting this afternoon, which was at Turfentine. So I've got a Turfentine 1. That's more than likely that's going to be another maiden that is in for next week, so they expected that one to win today. Look at the price, 44 to 1. So it was down for next week as well. Had you noticed that, you might have thought, well, there's something in it. Right, on to race 11, was a maiden plate. Tricia won today, that's more than likely a maiden plate as well on the 23rd. So we're looking for Queen Rachel here. Came second today, that would definitely be one I'm going to be looking at on the 23rd, which is 3 days time. So then we go to race 11 on TabGold. Queen Rachel, favourite today. Queen Rachel, Follow Me. And there, it'll be in my Follow Me one, it'll be the next, it'll be there as well. There we are. And basically that's all there is to it. So I do this, it's a good way of doing it. You get alerted the day before, and I promise you get lots of winners that way. It's a very nice way of picking up some nice outsiders, and once you do it for a while, you'll notice that certain trainers are doing it consistently. They're training their horses perhaps on the course rather than away from the course. And anyway, enjoy it, have a good weekend, and I'll talk again soon.